Everything in the menu is infused with chocolate in some way, sweet and savory. From our chocolate grilled cheese, which is a take on that hot chocolate with cheese combo, our chocolate martini, our tacos de mofongo, which we take the classic Puerto Rican dish, mofongo, and kind of make it into a taco shell. We serve that with pulled pork and chocolate hot sauce, and our guacamole, which has tiny bits of dark chocolate in it. Hello, my name is Carlos Cortes. I'm the owner here at Chocobar Cortes in the South Bronx. We are based in Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, and we are a 95-year-old chocolate manufacturing company that's been making chocolate from farm to bar since 1929. Because we are making the chocolate in the same place where the cacao is being grown, and we're only using Caribbean cacao, it kind of develops a very distinct, strong flavor, which is different from, what most mass-produced chocolates try to do. They kind of try to get cacao from everywhere and sort of mask the flavor so that it's kind of consistent along, tons and tons of products that they produce. The importance of family. We're always sort of surrounded by our family and our loved ones. That's something that we celebrate here. The whole point of this place is for people to come and share happy moments with their loved ones.